Hi everyone. In last class, we learnt how to enter bank transactions in Tally ERP9. I hope you did practice the class. Today, we do practice exercise for the bank transactions. We have a two exercises for you. So, this is exercise 1 and next one, this is exercise 2. In the exercise 1, the first transaction is Ramesh commenced business with 15 lakhs. So, first of all, create a new company. Go to Tally ERP9, select create company and press enter. Some company name Ramesh Industries, India, Andhra Pradesh. Press Ctrl plus A for saving. After saving that company, go to accounting voucher. The first transaction is capital transaction. So go to receipt voucher. Here click on receipt button in shortcut keys panel or press F6 button on keyboard. Select account as cash and particulars capital. So here list of ledger accounts, no ledgers for the capital. So create a new ledger, press Alt plus C, capital, under capital account. After saving this ledger, enter how much amount invested, 15 lakhs. After that, enter narration being started a business with cash. Enter. After saving this voucher, go to exercise 1. Cash deposited into Lakshmi Vilas Bank 3 lakh rupees. So get back to Tally ERP9. So we are deposit the cash. So there is the contra voucher. Click on contra button on shortcut keys panel or press F4 button on keyboard. Select account as a bank name. So the bank name is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. We have no ledger for the bank. So create a new ledger. Press Alt plus C. Here I am using shortcut name. What is that? LVB, Lakshmi Vilas Bank. LVB is under bank accounts. After saving that ledger, in the particulars, we are depositing the cash. So select cash and how much amount? 3 lakhs rupees. They are asking for the denominations. After entering the denomination, type in narration being cash deposited. Save. And the third transaction is cash deposited in Indian Overseas Bank 4 lakhs rupees. Same way, go to contra voucher. Account is Indian Overseas Bank. Create an IOB ledger. Press Alt plus C. IOB. IOB is under bank accounts. Cash. And the amount is 4 lakhs rupees. So enter 4 lakhs. After entering denominations, asking for the narrations being deposited cash or being cash deposited. Being cash deposited. Next one. IOB check issued for the telephone charges 7,200. The check number is 776501. So we are paying that money for the telephone charges. Go to payment voucher, press F5 or click on payment button in shortcut keys panel. In that we are paying money through check. So which bank check? IOB check. So we are selecting IOB. Particulars, we are paying for the telephone charges. So here no ledger for the telephone charges. Create a new ledger. Alt C. Telephone charges. Telephone charges is indirect expense. How much amount? 7,200. Here inst number means instrument number, that is the check number. What is the check number? 776501. The check number is 776501. Enter. After that, being issued check. Enter. Next, LVB check issued for the stationery to Gupta Books and Stationery, 8,000 rupees. Check number is 667701. So we are paying money. Same way, payment voucher. We are paying money through check. So which bank check? LVB. Particulars, we are paying for the stationery. Is here stationery ledger? We have no stationery ledger. So for creating a new ledger, press Alt plus C. Stationery is indirect expense. How much amount? 8,000. And instrument number is check number 7701. Here being paid to Gupta Books and Stationery. Next, IOP check issued to salesman traveling charges 3,800. Check number 776502. So we are paying. So go to payment voucher. We are paying through IOB check. So IOB, we are paying for the traveling expenses. So create a traveling expenses. Indirect expense. How much amount? 3,800. That's the check number is 776502. And the reason is being paid to salesman. After that, IOB check issued to Prakash Ads for the advertisements, 15,000 rupees. Check number is 776503. IOB check. Same way, payment voucher. Select IOB. So we are paying for the advertisements. Press Alt plus C. Advertisements, indirect expense. $15,000. And here instrument number, check number 776503. Being paid to Prakash Ads. After that, cash withdraw for personal use from IOB 20,000. Check number 776504. So it is a personal withdrawal. Personal withdrawal also called as drawings. So in the payment voucher, cash withdrawal for personal use from IOB. So select IOB. Particulars, create a drawings ledger. Drawings under capital account, select capital account and press enter. How much amount? 20,000. 20,000. Check number 776504 being personal withdraw. Save. After that, LVB check issued for Koduru Furniture on purchase of chairs 10,000 rupees. So also payment voucher, LVB check for the furniture, for creative furniture. Furniture under fixed assets. How much amount? 10,000 rupees. 66502. The check number. 10,000. 66502. Whereas is being purchase a furniture from Koduru Furniture. After that, 75,000 amount transferred from IOB to LVB. IOB check number is 776508. So there is a transfer transaction. For the transferring money, we are using contra voucher. Select contra, click on F4. Account as we are transferring from IOB to LVB. So here select LVB and the particulars LVB. Sorry. We are transferring from IOB. So select IOB. How much amount? 75,000. Enter. The inst number is 776508. Enter. The narration is being cash transferred. After that, draw from IOB 35,000 rupees. Check number 776505. So this transaction is office withdraw. So get back to Tally ERP9. In the contra voucher, we are withdrawing cash. So select cash from withdraw from IOB 35,000. IOB, that's the 35,000. Inst number is 776505. The narration is being cash withdraw. After that, check Andhra Bank received from the Ramanamurthy 45,000 and deposit into LVB. In this transaction, we are receiving a check from the Ramanamurthy. That check is Andhra Bank check, and we are deposited the check in LVB. So in this transaction, we are receiving the check. So when go to receipt voucher F6, select account as. So here we are deposited the check in LVB. So select LVB. In the particulars, check receiving from Ramanamurthy. So create a Ramanamurthy ledger. Ramanamurthy under sundry debtor. How much amount? 45,000. The instrument number is 456778. Bank name, specify bank name is so Andhra Bank. Being check received. Save. So the Access 1 transactions are completed. Get back to Tally ERP9. Press escape. In the gateway of Tally, select balance sheet. Select balance sheet. Press enter. The total amount is 14,80,000. For the detailed information, press Alt F1 or click on detailed button in shortcut keys panel. Alt F1. Actually, we are investing 15 lakhs amount. In that 15 lakhs, we are withdrawing the cash for the personal withdrawals. That's a 20,000. So the capital is 15 lakhs. Drawings is 20,000. After deducting the drawings, its total amount is 14,80,000. Press escape. Get back to gateway of Tally. Here select profit and loss account and press enter. At present we are net loss. We are in net loss 34,000. Press escape. Get back to gateway of Tally. I hope you understand how to enter bank transactions in Tally ERP9, and you have one practical work, that is the exercise 2. This is exercise 2. Same transactions. Enter all transactions in Tally ERP9 and check with this answer. If you have any questions arise in that entries, just drop a message in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.